Alright guys, so what's good? It's Big Tone coming at you again from Bigtoneproductions, Beats and Feast again. Hey, you know it's Friday. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do Cornish hens, guys, in the power pressure cooker. I've only seen one video like this on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and take a chance with it. You guys were asking for more power pressure cooker videos, so that's what I'm giving you today. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the Cornish game hens, guys. So as always, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. But here's the main actor here. This is the Cornish hens or Cornish game hens, either one you want to call it. They're little small chickens, and basically that's how I look at them. They're just little small, perfect for one person. But I got two of them here. Usually they sell them in sets of two. But I got two of them here. I think they were like $8 at the store for both. I got some garlic. You know I don't leave home without my garlic. Black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt. You know the deal with that. And we got just a tad bit of paprika I'm going to add on it. And we got some fresh, well, not fresh, but we got some thyme here. And my seasoning salt, my lies. All right, and then I got a whole onion cut up. One stick of butter, but I probably won't use it all. And surprisingly enough, I use beef broth in my chicken recipe. I don't know what it is. I think the flavor stands out a little bit more, but I actually like the beef flavor a little bit more. You can use water if you want, but I use the beef broth or beef stock. But anyway, that's all the ingredients that we're gonna have here. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna sear off the chicken. All right, guys, so to get started with this, I'm gonna put my power pressure cooker here on sear mode. If all you guys are not familiar with sear mode, most pressure cookers have them. It's basically just allowing you to sear off your food like a frying pan, basically, but not putting the lid on it so it builds pressure. So you can hit really any setting. I just hit the meat and chicken button on this particular one, and it's gonna get hot here. I'm gonna add in a little bit of butter, and we're gonna melt that down here in a second, and then we're gonna sear off my my game hens here. So, but before I do that, I'm gonna season them up just a little bit while this is melting, okay, guys? So, I got my two game hens here. Basically, all I'm gonna do is salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, but I am gonna do a little bit of stuffing inside. So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grab my game hen, and I'm gonna hold it up here, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of onion here. All right, just go ahead and drop a couple pieces of onion in the cavity there. Next thing we're gonna add in is a teaspoon of butter into the cavity. We're just gonna jam it in there. And then we're gonna take another piece of onion here, and we're just gonna put that in the insides as well. All right. All right, inside of the cavity here, we're gonna go ahead and put our sea salt. And I'm seasoning these pretty liberally, guys, inside. All right, and then we're also gonna put our black pepper inside of the cavity. Pretty liberally, as well as my thyme. And you hear the power pressure cooker, I think. It's starting to get hot here. All right, so we got that inside. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other one. We're gonna put breast side up, make sure all the ingredients stays inside. And then the next thing we're gonna do here is I'm gonna do the outside. So I'm gonna sprinkle it with the pink Himalayan sea salt, really liberally here, all over the chicken. I'm gonna use my black pepper. Make sure you get the wings and everything there, guys. And we're gonna use a little bit of my smoked paprika here. Just give it a little bit of color. And we got our live seasoning salt. There we go. So we're gonna flip that over and do the same thing to the other sides. Be careful, don't lose your contents on the inside. There we go. And with our black pepper. All right, and we're gonna go with our paprika next. A little bit of color. And we got our we we got our seasoning salt next. Very, very simple. All right, guys, so we're gonna do these one at a time. We're gonna get a good sear on them. All right, guys, so that one's taking a pretty good sear here. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter to it. Now with these, you don't want to sear them too long because they're such a small bird. You don't want to cook the meat. You just want to get them brown a little bit. So I'm going to take this one out here. As you can see, it's got a nice sear on the breast side. I'm going to put that in the pan here. And I'm going to grab the other one. And we're going to put that in for some more searing here. Cornish hen is in there. And it's getting seared up nicely. So once that's already pretty much done. So I'm going to add the rest of the onion to the pressure cooker. And we're going to add the other hen back here. We're going to add that back to the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to add probably about a good tablespoon and a half of garlic. We're just going to sprinkle this over it. A little bit more. There we go. And I'm going to continue to add just a little bit more salt to the whole pressure cooker. And some more black pepper. Gonna add some more thyme as well. And a little bit of the lye seasoning salt, guys. Just in general. Now this is where I'm gonna add my beef broth. So I'm gonna add about 2 cups of this, about 16 ounces. You gotta have enough fluid in your pressure cooker, guys. There we go. All right, so we got our game hens in here. Move this one over just a little bit. All right, so now it's time to place the lid on. Remember, always pull out your little seal here so it seats a little bit better. We're gonna place this on the pressure cooker. We're gonna line up the 2 lines. And we're gonna turn it on here, guys. So hit the chicken meat button, increment it up to high, and then we're gonna bring it to 25 minutes. That should be plenty enough time. And once it starts going around, as you see it doing now, it's building pressure. Once the pressure builds, it'll start counting down from 25. And then at that point, I'll be back and I'll show you a finished product, guys. All right, guys, so there you go. Cornish hens in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. I don't even really know what to say. These are absolutely fall apart. 25 minutes, perfect timing. Hey, I'm gonna finish it off here. I've made some sweet potatoes and some collard greens and some macaroni and cheese, which you'll probably see in an upcoming video. But hey, guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of gravy that I made and pour over top of it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna take a little bit of bite of the chicken here. Just a little bite. Hey, that's fall apart. I don't know what to say. You need to try it. Power Pressure Cooker. Go to my website, Bigtoneproductions.com. Check it out. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. This is Big Tone signing off. Peace.